my name is Mariam and I'm presenting a startup called Memo, which is actually an online store for the unique personalized gifts. A store where you can transfer your favorite photos on the with surface. In everyday life, many of us have faced problems while choosing a proper unique gift. The first issue can be what to choose, and another can be the lack of money and the last no time. Sometimes we have got no time for doing that shopping. So the Memo is a great solution. You can upload a photo, design it, add some effects in just 5 minutes. The Memo will transfer your photos to the web surface and will make it an unforgettable experience. So how it works? It's very simple. You have to register on our website, upload a photo, type some wishes for the gift card, order it, and the Memo will be delivered within 24 hours. The average selling price per Memo will be $30, and out of this, 50% will be the profit. Our targeted market are teens and adults from the age of 15 to 40, which remain 700,000 in our population, and out of this, 30% are teens and 70 are adults. We have got only several direct competitors worldwide, which can be the Woodsnap and Blackbat company, and we have got only indirect competitors in Georgia, which are Moriarty, Print.g, Printer.g, and so on. Our team members are Niga, who is a marketing and sales specialist, Mia have got a great experience in management, and we have Anna, who is a professional accountant. For starting this business, we need $9,000 for initial investment. Out of these, $10,000 is for building up an online store, $35,000 will be the marketing cost, $25,000 for the administrative cost, and $20,000 for the inventory. Thank you for your time.